Okay, I'm going to do a little unboxing review of this Ryobi planer here, and I'm doing this project for my job. It's going to be a conference table, and you see I'm going to join these pieces of wood together. I've never used a hand planer like this, so I don't know what to expect. I mean, I've used a full-size planer, you know, like you just run it through the machine. So here we go. Well, you know, I recently lost my knife, and it dawns on me. Maybe I don't know where I lost it. Here, hang on. Okay, got my knife. Not my knife, a knife that was here in the shop. Again, I'll put a link in the description. Oh, look at that. Comes with a nice little bag. Looks like a guide. Some type of guide there. Sweetheart, let me pull that bag off of my lovely assistant here. Okay. Looks like it has a bag that comes with it here. Looks like the adjustments for depth are here. Takes off a max of 1/8 of an inch at a time. So let's plug this in and give it a whirl here. Okay, so this is the surface that it's leaving behind. A bit of a learning curve using the tool. You can see there's a bit of a step right here, but just learning to get the grain or level and straight is the challenge, right? Because I want to join these pieces up, and you can see it's damn close. You know, doing anything by hand takes practice. So, first impressions is this is a good tool. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, look at it throwing chips here. It throws chips like crazy. One thing I can recommend is if you are doing something like this, just to take it slow. Take small, start real slow. What do I have it set on right now? Like 1/64 or something like that. Oh, over here. Not even. So take it slow. Use a combination square. Make sure that it's square. And do the glue up. I think this tool was 139 bucks. Again, I'll put a link in the description, but definitely a lot faster than using a hand planer. So that's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching.